There's a lot of talk about DJI possibly releasing a Mini 5 Pro. Even though DJI hasn't officially announced it, rumors suggest it could really shake up the 250-gram drone market. In this video, we'll look at the patterns and leaks to see what this new drone might offer. Let's dive in. The Mini series is known for being portable, so the Mini 5 Pro will likely keep the foldable design. Leaks say it might get the 360-degree obstacle avoidance system from the Mini 3 Pro, making it safer and more stable to fly. A larger 1-inch sensor might also be included, though the drone's body might need some tweaks to fit it. For the controller, we might see an upgrade to the DJI RC-in1 with a built-in display, similar to the Mini 3 Pro. The big question is the sensor. Rumors say DJI might use a 1-inch sensor instead of the smaller ones in previous Mini models. This would be a big improvement, giving better low-light performance, a wider dynamic range, and sharper images. The Mini 5 Pro might also get a more powerful processor, allowing for smoother 4K video at 60 frames per second, better image stabilization, and faster processing times. Flight time is important for the Mini series. Even if the 1-inch sensor adds some weight, new battery technology could keep the Mini 5 Pro's flight time around 30 minutes. The larger sensor would capture more light, resulting in clearer images, especially in low-light conditions. Additionally, a 1-inch sensor allows for a shallower depth of field, creating that beautiful bokeh effect photographers and videographers love. The Mini 5 Pro might even offer 5K recording. While 4K is the current standard, 5K provides more detail and flexibility for editing. Some think DJI might choose a slightly lower resolution, like 5.1K, to balance processing power and battery life. A more powerful processor is likely to handle the demands of a larger sensor and higher video resolutions. This could be the DJI OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system, offering better range and stability. Based on DJI's usual release schedule and recent leaks, we can guess the Mini 5 Pro might be announced around September 2024. This would fit DJI's pattern of releasing new models about a year apart. Pricing will be important for the Mini series. While a 1-inch sensor and other upgrades would enhance the Mini 5 Pro, DJI needs to keep it affordable. The expected price is around $1099, which is competitive for the sub-250-gram category. Balancing advanced features and cost will be key for the Mini 5 Pro's success. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, if it comes out, could redefine the sub-250-gram drone market. A 1-inch sensor, powerful processing, and possible 5K recording make it appealing for content creators and hobbyists. However, keeping the price competitive and ensuring good flight time will be crucial. So, that's all about the potential DJI Mini 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. Share this video with your friends if you found it helpful.